Hello and welcome to this guided chakra meditation, a gentle way to reconnect, heal, and align with yourself before sleep or at any time of the day. I invite you to join me in this practice to relax and realign your body, mind, and spirit, putting yourself in to a D state of healing, relaxation, and connection. Make yourself comfortable, either by lying down with your hands by your sides or sitting up in a position that allows you to fully relax. Close your eyes when you're ready. Take a moment to settle into the stillness and let go of the day's distractions. This is your sacred space, a place where you can connect deeply with your inner self. Take a deep breath in and feel it flow naturally as your chest opens with ease. As you exhale, let go of tension and allow your body to sink into the surface beneath you. Right now, we will embark on a journey that is as natural and effortless as your breath. Let yourself fully embrace this moment of stillness. With your eyes closed, begin to notice any tension present in your body and spirit. While it may feel unsettling at first, recognize that awareness of discomfort also brings with it the power to release. Right now, you have the opportunity to let go of any physical strain, making space for emotional and mental clarity. Take a deep breath in, inviting in healing and renewal. As you exhale, let go of stress, worry, and anything weighing you down. Repeat this process, allowing yourself to drift into a deeper state of relaxation with each breath. During this meditation, we will sink into profound stillness, shifting our consciousness from thought to healing. You have a magnificent ability to heal yourself through the power of your own awareness. As we journey through the 7 chakras, you will gain insight into the areas of your life that may need energy restoration, offering yourself compassion and transformation in the process. Now gently bring your awareness to your root chakra at the base of your spine. Visualize a deep red light glowing and expanding with each breath. This chakra represents grounding, stability, and security. If you have felt unsteady or disconnected, imagine this ruby red light growing stronger, reconnecting you to the earth and your sense of belonging. Your breath now carries your attention upward to the sacral chakra, located just above your pelvis. This chakra glows with a warm orange light, radiating creativity, passion, and emotional balance. Observe how it feels. Does it shine brightly or flicker dimly? Without judgment, allow your breath to restore and nourish this energy center, filling you with vitality and warmth. As you continue breathing deeply, shift your awareness to your solar plexus chakra, just below your rib cage. A golden yellow light pulses here, representing confidence, personal power, and willpower. If you have felt uncertain or unmotivated, visualize this light growing stronger, infusing you with self-assurance and inner strength. With each inhale, feel your personal power returning to balance. Your body relaxes even deeper as your attention moves to your heart chakra, illuminated by a radiant emerald green light. This is the center of love, compassion, and connection. Breathe in deeply, filling your heart with warmth and openness. If you have been carrying emotional pain, imagine this healing light dissolving it, leaving only peace and love. Now, bring your awareness to your throat chakra, glowing with a soothing blue light at the base of your throat. This energy center governs communication and self-expression. If you have felt unheard or struggled to express yourself, allow this light to expand, empowering you to speak your truth with clarity and confidence. Next, shift your focus to your third eye chakra, located between your eyebrows. A deep indigo light shines here, representing intuition, insight, and clarity. As you breathe, imagine this light expanding, strengthening your connection to inner wisdom and guiding you toward deeper understanding. Finally, turn your attention to your crown chakra at the top of your head, glowing with a vibrant violet light. This chakra connects you to universal energy and higher consciousness. With each breath, feel yourself opening to infinite wisdom, love, and peace. You are connected to the universe, whole and complete. Now that all your chakras are aligned and activated, allow yourself to bask in this balanced energy. Feel the flow of healing light moving freely through your body, restoring harmony and peace. When you are ready, gently bring your awareness back to the present moment. Wiggle your fingers and toes. Feel the support of the surface beneath you, and take a final deep breath in. As you exhale, open your eyes, feeling renewed, recharged, and deeply connected to yourself. You have done powerful work tonight. Your chakras are clear, and you are prepared for a night of deep, restorative sleep. Thank you for joining me in this meditation.